Hello everyone. Tesla has given the world an amazing product like Tesla's smart car. And recently, Elon Musk amazed everyone with the launch of Tesla's smartphone, Model Pi. In this video, we are going to know everything. What is the release date? What's the functionality? So, subscribe to my channel and let's start. In 2021, designer Antonio De Ros and his ADR studio released a full concept video of a Tesla smartphone, which are already famous for its Apple product concepts. And the concept is getting pretty serious. A day has not passed on search engines when person have not asked the same question. Is Tesla releasing a phone? Yes, we will see Elon Musk's smartphone soon. This year, the company officially showed off the Tesla smartphone. According to the Chinese edition of My Drivers, the gadget will be called the Tesla Model Pi. Experts believe that if this smartphone hits the market, it will be a real gadget revolution. Researchers of the smartphone market predict a severe drop in sales for competitors. Unfortunately, the release date of the Tesla smartphone is kept secret by the company. However, the features and the appearance of the gadget are already known today. So, if we talk about its design, the designer will make the phone in honor of Tesla, Starlink and SpaceX. Many gadgets market researchers note that the Tesla Model Pi looks like an iPhone 12. For example, the smartphone has 4 cameras in a square frame, the phone side are rounded with a silvery tint. However, the smartphone has several design differences. The gadget will have a case with a coating that can change color. In the video of the presentation, the front camera is not visible on the renders. Experts believe that the front camera will be located under the display. Also, the developers are introducing a solar panel for recharging. The logo of the company and the model name will be marked on the back of the smartphone panel. The design will be a little modern and different. And with the features, the phone will support Starlink satellite internet. The researchers say the data download speed will be up to 210 megabytes per second and will support Neuralink technology, which will read information from the head brain. The developers declare that in case of injury, user can replace it with some other brain functions. And it really sounds like a scene from some sci-fi movie. And I'm really looking forward to this point. And if we are talking about Elon Musk and Tesla, how we cannot talk about cryptocurrencies? People will be able to earn virtual money by mining on their phones, and rumor says the cryptocurrency name will be Mars Coin. And your smartphone will be able to sync with other Tesla devices. And under the factor of security, there are many things like use of end-to-end encryption, built-in VPN, ability to browse website anonymously, encryption of a real IP, blocking harmful ads, built-in antivirus software, and etc. Now, all we have to do is wait for Tesla to announce a launch date. But the biggest question is, will the Tesla phone survive or will it take the smartphone industry by storm? What next for the Tesla smartphone? That's the story for some other video.